Welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday, and it is hosted by Grandma Sandy, and her co-hosts are Sandra Lynn, Home and Garden, and Barbie Daily, Rural Life in the Valley. And here's a beautiful picture of our hawthorn tree, and there is our little fairy garden down there with the tulips blooming. So pretty. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you clicked on my channel, and I hope you're enjoying this little wander around in my yard. And here I'm just filling up my bird feeders. I get many birds and they really enjoy the food. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed and leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And as usual, thank you so much if you're a regular who watches my videos. Hope you enjoy. Let's get back to feeding the birds. Okay, we'll take it over and hang it up, and the birds will have lots of good bird food. Yummy, yummy. There. Now we have both bird feeders full, and now we'll do the water. What's it called? We'll do the bird bath. Okay, I cleaned everything off the tail, put it away. And this stuff is going to go in the house so I can wash it up and clean it. So I'm just going to take it over here to the steps. Tidied up that a little bit. Here's my bunny. Gotta find a spot for my bunny. I think I'll put him on my deck so I can enjoy him with the plant. This stuff all needs to go in the house, so I'm just going to set it on the stairs. And my wheelbarrow. Okay. This stuff is recycling. And I think the rest will just go over there. So we'll take this out to the recycle bin. There's our buddy still wandering around. Are you enjoying the outside, buddy? Are you enjoying the outside, buddy? Yeah, he's walking pretty good today. There's water on the grass because I just watered some plants. There's my pretty tulips. And this is my rose bush. It's going to be pink and hopefully it'll grow up more. So I'm just going to take this out to the recycling bin. Okay, this stuff is all going to go over there because I might use it. These go in the house. Those are for fairy gardens. So we'll put it in the bucket here. And, oh, this is... I might use that in the outside fairy garden because it's a big fence. Anyhow, this is a bird feeder. I should clean that up. Put it out for the hummingbirds. That'll be a hobby for Dave. Okay, this stuff over here. I think I'm just going to set it behind here. I might need those. And let's just close this up so it doesn't get full of water. Okay, that's there's my old wheelbarrow I bought. I think it's pretty awesome looking. And I'm going to fill it with dirt and put plants in it and make a fairy garden in it. And I might add a planter on the end here. Or maybe I'll just push it up more. And then there's more room to walk here. Worried somebody might hit their shins like me. Anyhow, this is getting to look much better. The grass needs to be cut. But we'll leave it for a bit and let the bees have the sunflowers. Have another quick look at the garden. And pretty soon the birds will come. Oh yes, we did clean out the bird feeder. I don't think I showed you. I mean the bird bath. It's all clean with fresh water so the birds can have a drink. Get something out here to fix my roof. Have my fairy garden, but my plants are growing pretty good. The ones, some of them I planted last year, some of them aren't coming up that I can tell, but I'm just going to leave stuff alone and let it grow. Unless I know it's a weed like a dandelion. And I'm pretty sure there are dandelions back here. I think some of these back here might be sweet peas. Not sure. Anyhow, time will tell. Here's my little houses. I'm going to work on them. I know I said last week I was going to work on them, but like I say, I've been away for a week, so I've got stuff to do to catch up. And this side of the garden, need to clean it all out. And I'm going to put my new bleeding heart over here. And I think it will like it here. So it'll get a little bit of sunshine and some shade. Got to put my fairy lights up yet. And I need to plant my planters, but they're ready to go. Just got to catch my breath. Just coming home. Off being away for 5 days. Okay. This is the lilac I planted last year. And it's growing a lot. So it'll be exciting to see how much it does grow this year. Oh, I tidied up back here a wee bit too. It's not great, but it's better. Okay, here's the lilac that I planted last year. It doesn't have any buds on it, but maybe it won't flower, it doesn't matter. And that is President Lincoln. And it gets, I can't remember if it's a blue flower with white trim or a white flower with blue trim. I'll have to look it up, stick a picture up there. So, all the birds are back. They're even on the fence. Let's see if I can show you. There's a couple of little birdies sitting on the fence. There they are. Kind of hard to see because they're brown like the fence and the roof next door. But there they are. They know that I put food in their feeders. Hi, little birdies. Hi, little chickadees. Come and feed. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this Fairy Garden Thursday. See my hair sticking out everywhere? That's okay. You can hear them calling the other birds, saying, come and eat, come and eat. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in my next video, which will be Sunday home reset. And I'll show you some stuff that I brought home from Cranbrook. Okay, bye. Pretty hawthorn tree.